Aim. Shoot. Size. Now, we've designed the iPin Spatial Ruler Pro. This helps you acquire, record, and share an object's dimensions with a revolutionized level of efficiency. The iPin Spatial Ruler Pro boasts of a distance measurement sensor that gathers more accurate data. Furthermore, it even offers a 3D measuring mode, reading data on length, width, and depth. It accomplishes this through your phone's camera, applying highly accurate phase shift laser ranging technology. Simply attach it to your mobile phone. The picture you took contains all the information we need. You can adjust the width, length, height, and even depth manually with your finger. A sophisticated algorithm is then deployed to transfer the measured distance into 3D dimensions of an object or a room. This makes your photo pixels into meaningful data, not just pretty entertainment. Take a photo first. Measure it later. Save time with your fingertip. You can also use it individually to measure the long distance between it and your target. Providing accurate, fast 3D data, the iPin Spatial Ruler Pro is the best product for all your measuring needs.
I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do. Holding my breath, I'm reveling emotions. I need some space to think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Look away so you won't see, 'cause the pain is in my eyes. Feels like I could break it any moment and shatter your insides. If you feel my mind, call me all night long. Try to give you hints tonight.
This is AirBar. AirBar brings touch to your new or existing PC by projecting an invisible light field over the screen. And what's good about light is that it responds to pretty much anything, so you can sweep with your gloves or long fingernails, pinch with your chopsticks, scroll while you're cooking, or why not use a paintbrush? You get the idea. With AirBar, you get touch gestures when you need them. It's easy to attach, it's sleek, and you can unplug it when you want to. Best of all, there's no manual, no installation. It's plug and touch. It just works. AirBar. Plug and touch when you need it.